Hey, this is Toby back with Topic Trading and another weekly preview. I'm actually traveling this week, so I hope the sound or my mic here is good enough. So, starting out with the daily chart, and as you know, we are looking at the ES mini futures daily, where one bar represents 1 day. And looking back at the past week, the past 5 days, wow, what a huge selling pressure we had here. Really bearish week. Let me zoom in here a bit. And as you know, we had the FOMC statement on Wednesday, which really had a positive outcome with the interest rate staying at the same level, not being increased. But we anyway had a big sell-off with this big bearish candle this day. So as we talked about before, you can never really trade based upon the news. We should really trade all the price action we see in front of us, as you can never know what the market will do. So in this case, it acted completely to the opposite of what you would think. As we didn't have an increase, that should be pretty positive for the economy. But we anyway just plummeted down here. So we did hesitate. Looking back from the start of the week, we did hesitate a bit at the former low of the small leg down here, but then surpassed that and just pushed through the next support level here, where we bounced several times, just pushed through that without hesitation, and finished down here at the outer band of the envelope band. So we did find some pause here, but my guess is that we will continue down and actually retest the breakout area of the former range here, and also get that measured leg from the previous larger leg down here. So my guess is that we still have some way to go to the downside. And when we get to that point, it's just a wait and see again. As we talked about before, the previous uptrend here looked pretty confirmed, so we might continue up from here and retest that one. So yeah, let's wait and see what happens when we reach the measure move to the downside. With that said, let's go over to the news event for the coming week here. And we do have some news almost every day here. Also red ones, actually every day. So Tuesday in the morning, consumer confidence, 9 a.m. Central Time. So be careful around this one, as it is a red and potentially high impact news event, which can cause volatility. So don't trade 30 to 60 minutes before and 30 to 60 minutes after. Just be careful around this time, 9 a.m. Central Time. Wednesday, we have a couple of orange ones, also early in the morning, 1 hour before open. Medium impact events. You can be careful. You never know what will happen, so just be careful around these two to be sure. Thursday, 7:30 a.m., 1 hour before open, we have the final gross domestic product quarter to quarter, and also the employment claims, which are two pretty big indicators for the economy. So be careful around this time. And then also on Thursday, we have another red event at 3 p.m., where Fed Chair Powell speaks, and those events can also be pretty volatile. So be careful around this time as well. Friday, core PCE price index in the morning, 1 hour before open, red event. A medium event, Chicago PMI, 8:45, 9 a.m., 30 minutes after the open. Revised consumer sentiment, so be careful around this time too. And another FOMC speak or talk, 15 minutes to 12. So that's about it. Keep these times in mind, and really be careful around this when you're trading. as they can have a huge impact and volatility on the market, which can cause slippage and troubles with your orders. So it's not worth the risk of trading during those times. With that said, good trades to you this week, and take care, everybody. Have a nice week. Talk to you. Bye.